हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फ्री यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग जो हमारे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर की जो सीरीज़ है उसकी आज 2020 का जो पेपर है उसके आज हम लोग ख़त्म करेंगे। जो क्वेश्चन जो बाकी है 2020 पेपर का प्रीलिम्स का, तो वो आज ख़त्म करेंगे। तो देखते हैं 80 क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 से आपका 100 तक पढ़ाई करेंगे। तो देखते हैं 81 नंबर क्वेश्चन को। If a particular plant species is placed under Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what is the implication? So इसमें आपका चारों स्टेटमेंट हैं। स्टेटमेंट A license is required to cultivate that plant. B, such a plant cannot be cultivated under any circumstances. C, it is a genetically modified crop plant. D, such a plant is invasive and harmful to the ecosystem. So the right answer of this question is option A. Option A. A license is required to cultivate the plant. Next we move to the next question. 82 non question, which reference to the period of Gupta dynasty in ancient India. The towns Ghantasala. In ancient India, the towns Ghantasala, Kadura and Chola were well known as A. Port handling foreign trade. B. Capitals of powerful kingdoms. C. Places of exquisite stones, art and architecture. D. Important Buddhist pilgrimage centers. The right answer of this question is option A. Port handling foreign trade. Now we see the next question. 83. What is oblique are the advantage or advantages of zero tillage in agriculture? Statement 1. A. Statement 1. Sowing a wheat is possible without burning the residue of previous crop. 2. Without the need for nursery of rice saplings, direct planting of paddy seeds in the wet soil is possible. Statement 3. Carbon sequestration in the soil is possible. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is option D, that means 1, 2 and 3, all of the above. जो आपका zero tillage refers to the zero tillage is the process of agriculture that promotes conservation agriculture. Now we move to the next question. 84th now question. According to India's national policy on biofuels, which of the following can be used as raw materials for the protection of biofuels? 1. Cassava. 2. Damaged wheat grains. 3. Groundnut seeds. 4. Horse gram. 5. Rotten potatoes. And 6. Sugar beet. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2, 5 and 6 only, option B 1, 3, 4 and 6 only, option C 2, 3, 4 and 5 only, and option D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So इसका जो आपका राइट आंसर है वो आपका ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर of this question. Now we move to the next question. Which one of the following statement best describes the term social cost of carbon? It is a measure in monetary value of the a long term damage done by a ton of CO2 emission in a given year. B requirement of fossil fuels for a country to provide goods and services to its citizens based on the burning of those fuels. C efforts put in by a climate refugee to adapt to live in a new place. D contribution of an individual person to the carbon footprint on the planet Earth. Here the right answer is again option A. Option A is the right answer of this question. Now we move to the next question. Sorry. With reference to the pulses production in India, consider the following statement. 86th question. Uh, 1. Black gram can be cultivated as both kharif and rabi crops. 2. Green gram alone accounts for nearly half of pulse production. 3. In the last 3 decades, while the production of kharif pulses has increased, the production of rabi pulses has decreased. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 2 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. सो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए. बाकी का जो ये आपका इनकरेक्ट है. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The crop is subtropical in nature. A hard forest is injurious to it. It requires at least 210 frost-free days and 50 to 100 centimeters of rainfall for its growth. A light, well-drained soil capable of retaining moisture is ideally suitable for the cultivation of the crop. Which one of the following is state crop? Option A cotton, B jat, C sugarcane, D tea. The right answer of this question is cotton, option A. Cotton, option A. Now we see the question number 88. With reference to solar water pumps, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Solar pump can be used for running surface pumps and not for submersible pumps. Statement 2. Solar power can be used for running centrifugal pumps and not the ones with piston. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. So the right answer इस क्वेश्चन का जो राइट आंसर है वो आपका D neither 1 nor 2. Now we move to the next question. With reference to the current trends in the cultivation of sugarcane in India, consider the following statements. Statement 1. A substantial saving in seed material is made when bird chips settling are raised in a nursery and transplanted in the main field. Statement 2, when direct planting of seeds is done, the germination percentage is better with single budded seeds as compared to seeds with many buds. Statement 3, if bad weather conditions prevail when seeds are directly planted, single budded seeds have better survival as compared to large seeds. Statement 4, sugarcane can be cultivated using seedlings prepared from tissue culture. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Statement A, option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 only, option C 2 and 4 only, and D 2, 3 and 4 only. The right answer of this question is option C 1 and 4 only. Now we move to the next question. In the context of India, which of the following is or are considered to be practices of co-friendly agriculture? Statement 1, crop diversification. 2, legume intensification. 3, tensiometer use. 4, vertical farming. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3 only, option B 3 only, option C 4 only, and option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer of this question is D, all of the above, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we move to the next question. Question 91. What are the advantages of fertigation in agriculture? Statement 1, controlling the alkalinity of irrigation water is possible to efficient application of rock phosphate and all other phosphatic fertilizers is possible. 3, increase availability of nutrients to plants is possible. 4, reduction in the leaching of chemical nutrients is possible. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3 only, option B 1, 2 and 4 only, option C 1, 3 and 4 only, and option D 1, 2 and 4 2, 3 and 4 only. The right answer of this question is option C 1, 3 and 4 only. 1, 3 and 4 only. Now we move to the next question. Consider the following minerals. 1, benotine. 2, chromite. 3, kyanite. 4, sillimanite. In India, which of the above is or are officially designated as major mineral? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 4 only, option C 2 and 3 only, and option D 2, 3 and 4 only. The right answer of this question is option D, 2, 3 and 4 only. Now we move to the next question. With reference to ocean mean temperature OMT, which of the following statement is or are correct? Statement 1, OMT, ocean mean temperature, is measured up to a depth of 26 degrees Celsius. Isotherm which is 129 meter in the southwestern Indian Ocean during January to March. Statement 2, OMT collecting during January to March can be used in assessing whether the amount of rainfall is in monsoon will be less or more than a certain long term mean. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only, option B, 2 only, option C, both 1 and 2, and option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer of this question is option B. ऑप्शन बी, 2 ओनली. जो 1 है वो इनकरेक्ट होंगे, इनकरेक्ट है. सो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो 2 ओनली. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन बी. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. With reference to chemical fertilizers in India, consider the following statements. Statement 1, at present the retail price of chemical fertilizers is market driven and not administered by the government. 2, ammonia, which is an input of urea, is produced from natural gas. 3, sulfur, which is a raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizer, is a byproduct of oil refineries. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, option B, 2 and 3 only, option C, 2 only, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. Now we move to the next question. With reference to India's desert national park, which of the following statements are correct? It is spread over 2 districts. 2, there is no human habitation inside the park. 3, it is one of the natural habitat of great Indian bustard. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only, option B, 2 and 3 only, option C, 1 and 3 only, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is option C, 1 and 3 only. 2 is incorrect. There is no human inhabitation. वो जो बोला है कि इनहिबिटेशन नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, तो एक्चुअली जो आपका डेजर्ट नेशनल पार्क है उसके अंदर बहुत सी हैबिटेशन है. सो ये आपका इनकरेक्ट है. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो सी, 1 and 3 only. Now we move to the next question. Siachen Glacier is situated to the east of Aksai Chin, east of Leh, north Gilgit, and north of Nubra Valley. So this is the right answer, north of Nubra Valley. With reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. फेमस प्लेस, प्रेजेंट स्टेट. जो आपका फेमस प्लेस दिए गए हैं और उसका जो स्टेट भी यहाँ पे मेंशन है, तो कौन से पेयर आपका करेक्टली मैच है देखते हैं. 1, भीलसा मध्य प्रदेश. 2, द्वारसमुद्र महाराष्ट्र. 3, गिरिनगर गुजरात. 4, स्थानेश्वर उत्तर प्रदेश. Which of the pair given above are correctly matched? Option A, 1 and 3 only, option B, 1 and 4 only, option C, 2 and 3 only, and option D, 2 and 4 only. The right answer of this question is जो आपका टू स्टेटमेंट है वो आपका करेक्टली मैच है। ऑप्शन ए, सॉरी, ऑप्शन ए इज़ द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। ये जो आपका स्टेटमेंट ए है ये आपका भिलसा मध्य प्रदेश है, और जो 3 है आपका वो श्रीनगरा है, सॉरी गिरीनगरा, ये आपका गुजरात, ये करेक्टली मैच है। और जो आपका द्वारा समुद्रा है ये आपका महाराष्ट्र नहीं है, ये आपका कर्नाटक होना चाहिए था। और ये जो आपका स्थानेश्वरा है ये आपका उत्तर प्रदेश नहीं है, ये आपका बल्कि ये हरियाणा है। नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Consider the following statements. 36th statement 1, 36% of India's districts are classified as overexploited or critical by the Central Groundwater Authority. 2, Central Water Authority was formed under the Environment Protection Act. Statement 3, India has the largest area under groundwater irrigation in the world. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 2 only, and option D 1 3 only. The right answer of this question is option B 2 and 3 only is the right answer. Now we move to the next question. Consider the following statements. Jet stream. Consider the following statements. Statement 1, jet streams occur in the northern hemisphere only. Statement 2, only some cyclones develop an eye. 3, the temperature inside the eye of a cyclone is nearly 10 degrees Celsius lesser than that of the surroundings. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 2 only, and option D 1 and 3 only. The correct answer of this question is option C 2 only. ये जो 2 स्टेटमेंट है ये करेक्ट है, बाकी ये जो 1 and 3 इसका इनकरेक्ट है. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये जो आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है दिस वीडियो का. Among the following tiger reserves, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitats? जो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो आपका ऑप्शन सी नागार्जुना सागर श्रीशैलम. जो आपका कॉर्बेट है इसका आपका एरिया है 821 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. और ये आपका जो रणथंबोर है ये आपका है 1113 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. नागार्जुना सागर श्रीशैलम है जो इसका आपका एरिया है 2595 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. और जो इसका सुंदरबन है इसका एरिया है आपका 1699 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का वीडियो में हम लोग इतना ही डिस्कस करेंगे. वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट 2020 प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लाएंगे लास्ट ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर 2019. सो Thank you for watching this video. Friends, till the next video, have a good day.